Okay, love bugs. T-minus 1 day until the girls are officially Laker Sparks stars. Okay, I'm exaggerating a little bit, but tomorrow my girls are going to be performing the halftime show for the Sparks game at the Crypto Arena. Like that. I cannot wait. I'm super excited to watch them do their thing on that huge big court in front of all of the Sparks fans. I am so excited, and I am preparing a day ahead with hair. For me, having 2 girls to do hair and makeup for is definitely tedious. So for me, mommy, I like to do my hair a day in advance. Today I've teamed up with My First Wig, and they sent me this beautiful soft and silky curly wig. I think she's absolutely beautiful. Look at the wave pattern on this beautiful girl. She's absolutely amazing. This one here is 18-inch Malaysian hair with a 1 to 2 year lifespan. She has a 13x6 cap construction, 130% density, and the cap size is size 1. So I love the fact that you're able to get the size that matches your head for a nice, soft, seamless fit. Mine fits absolutely snug, and so we did a really glueless install. We did use a level 2, which is a very light hold hairspray, just because I like to have something wet to go in and melt and marry my hairline. But look at that beautiful, flawless hairline. I added a little bit of baby hair, and I did remove the ear tabs just to give it more of my own look and even more of a everyday glueless install fit. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have a direct link and all the details down below. Without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Same little nigga from the get-go, bet your bitch go for me. I don't really need that chick though, please come get your shorty. Teed up, gassed up, sick, go with my whip, go 40. Come, I really don't miss shit though, you gon' get your shortly. Oh, that's shortly, do the work and read the end of it. Selling game and pimping penny shit. Popping off of purely penmanship. Business shit, you not a benefit. Beneficial moves, I been a man. Shaking, moving like the minute hand. Beat the coochie like an hour long. Keep it lit, I keep the power on. Power up a Super Saiyan, Superman. Saving hoes, not I.
Baby, I see you hanging with your friends, chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love, but you make time for the ones you love. It's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately.
Nah, 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 no. Yeah. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Yeah. I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let him take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but it hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. But I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way he paid the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way she pays tuition. Better watch your soul, cause you know they trying to get it. Yeah, yeah. I learned my right from wrong on a song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs. Ran through a check, cause it's hard to live off bread alone. So if you see me slipping, yeah, let me know. Cause it ain't the end of times yet, I know, but it's getting close. Yeah, I need my space to breathe, that's why I be going ghost. I ain't trying to stay up on that wide road, cause I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no.
And you know, we have to do a cute little updo. I already did mine, but let me show you what I did. You guys know I love a larger banana clip. Is this called a banana clip to you guys? The larger ones. Bring both sides of the hair forward. Pull out your little bangs, if you will. Grab like two ponies. Flip that wrist. Combine them in the back and just do your best to mangle and push all that hair into that comb against the cap. And just that simple and easy, you have a updo. The most important thing is to make sure that your sides or sideburns are nice and concealed. No cap or tracks are showing, and you are good to go. Now back to the rest of the video. Okay, love bugs, this is the final look and I'm absolutely in love. I am headed out for a dance. We have Sparks game halftime show tomorrow for the girls, and this is gonna be the final practice, and I am making them tardy just so that I can have a moment with you guys. I love to look good every day and I love to change my wigs up, and this one here is the perfect everyday wig. It's light and fluffy and airy, yet so defined and full at the exact same time. Very, 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 very beautiful on the texture. The hairline, I can never say enough about how beautiful and flawless this one is. As always, I did cut off the ear tabs, which is kind of just my thing and my way of wearing a wig every day, making it a little bit more glueless. I did add a little bit of baby hair. I didn't go too heavy, and I think it matches my style, but also matches the look and density of the hair. We're straight on. You really don't even see it as much, but from the sides, it's like... I love the lace. It's very thin and seamless and melted and HD and soft, and just blends with the skin beautifully. This one here was a pre-everything wig, so it had the pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and the pre-plucked hairline. One of the first things I noticed when putting the wig on is how nice and snug it fit. I put it on, and you know how you put that back on first, and it just hugged, and I had to kind of like cinch it on, and I'm so used to a wig fitting loose and just plopping on the back of my head. I love the way it conformed before I even pulled the front forward. Everything laid flat and smooth. Very, very, very much my first wig type of wig, because this is definitely tailored to the girl who is in the first wig era of her life, where if you just need something that you can do at home without the fees and the inconvenience of the Hey Boo text and the stylist, you can achieve a flawless look by purchasing this wig and putting it on at home. And even more importantly, you'll be able to maintain this one in a more realistic way without having to turn into your own hairstylist at home with this beautiful girl. It lets me know that this one has a silky, soft and smooth texture. It's 18 inches in length. The origin of hair is Malaysian. Malaysian hair lasts for a 1 to 2 year lifespan with good care. That just simply means when it's dirty, wash it gently, condition it, deep condition it when it's needed, hang it to dry, detangle with care. Don't overbrush it, you know, and make it pull, and you know, just love your hair and it will love you back. The hair color is natural black. The cap size is a 1, and then the cap construction is a 13x6 HD lace front wig in the density 130%. I'm gonna go ahead and head out of here, but you guys can see, even when it came down to it, I just added a little bit of this cream here from Shea, or no, from Cantu, and it's a Shea Butter Curl Activator Cream. And I just added a little bit, and I kind of could have left it there, but I always like to go in and add more extra moisture to the ends. So I did that with the spray bottle. Everything I used today will be linked and listed in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get it